Chapter 19 Satyam Mayurah. There are 10 kinds of play, Rupak in Sanskrit. One of them is Prahasan. Right, Prahasan means comedy. The Prahasan is one actor and its plot is limited to one day only. Once in a while, similarly, this story starts and ends with the one stage. Among such Prahasans, written in Sanskrit literature, the most fame has been gained by Prahasan named Bhagavad Anjukyam. In the opinion of many scholars and composer of this play is the poet Bodhayan. But certain scholars believe that this composition is of some unknown writer. The time of this composition is 4th century. The present part of the play is taken up after editing from Bhagavad Anjukyam. Born in poor family, Shandilya leaves his house with a mind that he will get food easily. Hello friends, I am Bhumir sir. પ્લીઝ મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9, 10th, 11th, 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન. ઓકે, બાય. In poor family, Shandilya leaves his house with a mind that he will get food easily and become a Buddhist monk. But as he has to observe fast year repeatedly, this Shandilya becomes the disciple of an accomplished ascetic after leaving the costume of Buddhist monk. First he became Buddhist monk. He thought that I will get food easily, but there sometimes they do fast whole day, and at that time Shandilya can't bear, so he give up this Buddhist monk's costume and become a disciple of a guru. He is more interested in eating, but his guru forced him to read constantly while going to the city daily for begging. One day guru and disciple go to city earlier than the usual time, and knowing the value of time, guru asked the disciple to read during this period sitting in a garden which comes on the way. The scene presented here is of the time when both of them enter the garden. Shandilya's excuse provide humor. It is understood from this dialogue how the tales told by mother in the childhood affect deeply in the life of human being can never be removed. The answer of question why one should learn is also understood from this. Now first meanings. Shandilya, name of disciple. Vyagraha, tiger. Mayuraha, peacock. Pauranikya, one knowing Purans. Udyanam, garden. Rudiram, blood. Sukhavaham Ramaniyam Udyanam, conducing to happiness or pleasant, beautiful garden. Hello friends, I am Bhumir sir. Please મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9, 10th, 11th, 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન. ઓકે, બાય. First glossary is chapter 19. Shandilyah, name of a disciple. Vyagrah, tiger. Mayurah, peacock. Pauranikya, one knowing Purans. Udyanam, garden. Rudiram, blood. Sukhavaham Ramaniyam Udyanam, conducing to happiness, pleasant or beautiful garden. Kshinamane Sarire, in decaying body, when our body is decaying. Agrataha, ahead. Purataha, in front of. Prushtataha, behind. Aviha, alas. Athakim, of course. Chandataha, according to one's own wish. Avidha, alas. Tavat, that much. Now compounds. Ashok Pallavantar Niruddhaha, behind the tree of Ashoka. Of Ashoka means Sashti Tatpurush, but in starting it is behind, so it is Saptami Tatpurush also. Vyagra Mukhat, mouth of tiger, Sashti Tatpurush. Mad Bhayen, fear from me, from Panchmi Tatpurush. Mayur Rupam, form of peacock. Champak Kadam Saptaparna Chandan Tagar Khadir Kadli Samvakirnam. It means Champak, Kadam, Saptaparna, Kadli, Chandan, Tagar, all types of trees, and adorned with Malti creeper. Adorned with without, it is Trutiya Tatpurush. Okay. Then Trutiya Tatpurush, Malti Lata Mandap Manditam. It means adorned with Malti creeper or creeper of Malti of Sashti Tatpurush. And also Malti adorned with means Trutiya Tatpurush. Pathit Pathaihi, who studied the lessons. Bahuvrihi, WH question. Kalantar Vignayaha, passage of time. Kalantar Vignayaha, understand in passage of time. In Saptami Tatpurush. Dharma Artha Mokshebhyaha, for religion and money or worldly object. Earth, wealth. Itretar Dvandva. Vidyabhyas, learning of studies or education. Now participle Gruhitaha, caught. Khadit, eaten. Betavyam, should be afraid of. Ramaniya, worthy to be liked. Agachati, to come. Patati, to study. Ichchati, to wish. Pravishati, to enter. Now, Ashok Pallavantar Niruddho Vyagraha, tiger hidden behind the leaves of Ashoka trees. Prativasati, lives. Tata, so. Badham, well, okay. Vyagrena Gruhito Asmi, I am caught by a tiger. Mochayat Mam Vyagra Mukhat, get me release from mouth of tiger. Anath Eva, as if orphan. Vyagrain Khadito Asmi, I am eaten by tiger. Rudiram Prastravati, blood is flowing or is bleeding. Kandhat, from neck. Mayur Khalveshaha, this is really a peacock. सत्यम मयूरः रियली अ पीकॉक यदि मयूरः उद्घाट्यामि अक्षिणी. नेक्स्ट, अशोक पल्लवांतर निरुद्ध. टाइगर हिडन बिहाइंड this type of tree. Ashoka lives. Then kidu Kanthat from neck. Mayurah Khalveshah. This is really a peacock. Satyam Mayur. It is really a peacock. Okay. Now, so Dasyah Putro Vyagrah, a son of a whore tiger. Madbain, being afraid of me or fear from me. Tiger. Mayur Rupam Gruhitva, assuming form of peacock. Palayate is running away. He. Oh. Champak Kadam Saptaparna Chandan Tagar Khadir Kadli Samvakirnam. Full of trees like Champak Kadam Saptaparna. चंदन तगर खदीर कदली बनाना. कदली मीन्स बनाना. नेक्स्ट इज मालती लता मंडप मंडितम adorned with arbor of मालती creeper. मूर्ख foolish क्षणे क्षणे क्षीयमाणे शरीरे body getting decaying at every moment. किमते रमणीयम what is pleasant for you. न तावत पठिष्यामि then I will not study. ज्ञातुम इच्छामि I want to know. पठित पाठैहि अपि by the person who have read lessons. कालांतर विज्ञेयाः those which are known at interval of time. पठनार्थाः meaning of studies. तस्मात् पठतावत् so you study. पठनेन किं भविष्यति what will happen after reading. meaning पठनार्थाः meaning of studies. तस्मात् पठतावत् so you study. पठनेन किं भविष्यति what will happen after reading. पठनेन विना without studying न प्राप्यते विद्या knowledge is not acquired. विद्यया विना without learning. सौख्यम happiness. ध्रुवम certainly. Now Sandhi. Second one प्रतिवसति इति. प्रतिवसति plus इति. Next one गृहीतो अस्मि. गृहीतः plus अस्मि. Then खादितो अस्मि. खादितः plus अस्मि. Now chapter. This is very easy chapter. Now chapter. शांडिल्यः वो भगवन इदम उद्यानम. O reverser, O preceptor, this is a garden. Parivrajak means teacher. Says Pravish agratah. So please go ahead and enter. Sandilya says Bhagwan eva puratah pravishatu aham prushthatah pravishami. Respected sir, you should enter first. I am coming behind you. Parivrajak says Kimartham, why? Shandilya says पौराणिक्या मम मातुः श्रुतम अशोक पल्लवांतर निरुद्धो व्याघ्रः प्रतिवसति. I have heard from my mother that my mother knows Purans. She told me that tiger hidden behind the leaves of Ashoka tree. तत भगवान एव पुरत प्रविशामि अहम पृष्ठतः प्रविशामि. So, may river sir enter first. I am entering behind you. Parivrajak says Badam. Okay. Pravishati enters. Tatah pravishati Shandilya. Then Shandilya enters. Shandilya says, Oh Viha, alas, Vyagrena gruhito asmi. I am caught by a tiger. Mochayat mam Vyagra mukhat. Please save me from mouth of tiger. Anath eva khadito asmi Vyagren. Tiger is, I have been eaten by the tiger as if I am orphan. Idam khalu rudiram prastravati kanthat. Bleeding from my neck only. So Sandilya says, Parivrajak says, Sandilya, nabetavyam, mayuraha khalu esha. O Sandilya, don't afraid. This is really a peacock. Satyam mayuraha. Sandilya says, really a peacock. Parivrajak says, Atha kim Satyam mayuraha. Of course, really a peacock. Yadi mayuraha udgatyami akshini. If it is a peacock, then I will open my both eyes. Chandataha, as you wish. Shandilya says, Avidha, alas, dasyaha putro vyagro madbhayen mayur rupam gruhitva palayate. So, the son of a whore or slave, tiger, being afraid of me, runs away assuming the form of peacock. He is going away with the assuming of form of peacock and run away. Wow! Chandantagar kadli saptaparna khadir kadli samvakirnam malti lata mandap manditam sukhavaham aho ramaniyam khalu idam udyanam. So, he said that Champak kadam saptaparna chandan tagar khadir. Kadli means banana trees, and also the arbor of Malti creeper and adorned with whole the garden. This is a very beautiful garden, extraordinary garden. Sir says, Murk, foolish, kshanik shiyamane sarire kimte ramaniyam. O foolish, what is pleasant for you when your body is decaying every moment? Then, agachavats pattavat. So come son and learn. Natavat patishyami. I will not learn. Kimartham? Why? Pathanasya tavat artham gnatum ichchami. I wish to know the meaning of learning. पठित पाठैः अपि कालांतर विघ्नेया भवन्ति पठनार्थाः. तस्मात् पठतावत्. The meaning of what? Recite or learn is likely to be understood after a certain time, even by those who have learned the lessons. So, therefore you should learn. So then he said, what the lesson you learn, it will useful in your life. Pathanena kim bhavishyati. Why should one learn, or what happened by studying? Shrunu, listen. Pathanena vina na prapyate vidya. Na vidyaya vina saukhyam naranam jayate dhruvam. Ato arth मोक्ष धर्म अर्थ मोक्षेभ्यो विद्या अभ्यासम समाचरेत. Listen, learning is not acquired without study. Men do not achieve permanent happiness without learning. So one should practice the study of attainment of religious merit, wealth and liberation. One should follow this type of studies that will use in future for earth means money, wealth, or religious merit means dharma, and salvation or liberation, it means moksha. So this is a very easy chapter. You learn chapter number 19. Okay.